Thokozani sanibonani dumelang aphishini hello bakwethu ngiyabulisa nje ngisaqala mangicala ngithi ngihlonipha bonke omama abangizalayo abantu abadala beza kumina bonke abantu abasapota inyanga yompindi abantu abomama bonke ngibulisa baba ngibulisa ubhuti ngibulisa usisi ngilihlonipha kawuvela ibile kyalebata bakwethu ngithanda ngikhulume ngetopic ethi Babu Dokotela TV isihloko sesizulu. Kabe kitla kere Babu Dokotela is a scam. Okay? Mkhulu, what are you trying to imply? What are you saying kahle? Mina, all I'm saying is this. Why must we always have wrong impression? Why do we misjudge people? Whenever umuntu emnyama enza something enkulu, why must we always judge abantu abanjalo? Namhlanje ngithanda ukuthi kukhulume ngoBabu Dokotela. A person osiza abantu. Loya muntu loya inyanga ubaba wesizwe osiza abantu. Whenever he says ngubaba wesizwe babojabulile, it's not a lie. Because of this person uhayarishi oma bethu. Number 1. This person uhayarishi osisi bethu. Number 2. This person uhayarishi obaba bethu nobhuti bethu. Uma ngafika lapha eSalisbury la Babu Dokotela esebenzela khona abantu uzothola ukuthi uthola abantu abadala abantu othi wabhekile they are on their 40s 50s hayi ukuthi urana into yabantu ngento okudlala ukuthi usebenza ngani uthatha ingane zesikole ezingazi next I mainly even meaning nabantu abayibamshuta abanye babo abantu abadala ngendlela esimanga to show that this person ubeka ipapa ubeka iplate emzini yamanye amadoda. This person kunabantu abakwazi ukulala bedlile because of him. Babu Dokotela, the last time I checked, he heard about abantu abasebenzela more than 20 years. More than 20 years in the practice yokunyanga, in the practice yakhe profession yakhe ubudoctor. In many other things azenzayo, even nakuma warehouse akhe awaonayo. So it shows that we need such people in life. So we need to stop as Africans. Ukuthi uma sibona omunye umuntu omnyama iphumelela, then we see him as a slave. Lethi nasizwe. Le mindset yethu yokuba yi-slave kumele siyikhiphe. We need to remove the spirit. We need ukuthi sikhiphe lo moya wobuslave engqondweni zethu. Babu Dokotela unemoto eningabi. Where abantu bayangena kulezo imoto lezo abantu abadrivayo ama-client wakhe from airport from wherever you are umfona ulanda ngeimoto for free inyanga yenjani leyo irregardless ukuthi uzobona ngamalini but imoto zakhe ziyakulanda for free ukwazi ukubeka e-demonstration ukwazi ukubeka airport. We need such people. You know, at some point mina can mainly say that kunenyanga eziyenza imisebenzi emikhulu inewe yokuthi bakhula ngisho nohulumeni imali. Babu Dokotela usiza abantu day and night. Uyazi uma ngakhuluma ngemisebenzi yakhe kungasho kushona ilanga lonke. Kunabantu abasponsораyo, kunabantu abanika ama-food parcels, kunabantu abasizayo, kunama FMs athi uma inyanga iphela balindele imali ethize from Babu Dokotela. Of which inyanga esiza abantu. And uma thina siyinyanga akumelanga ukuthi sidlelane umona. I want to say this kwinyanga. Whenever uma i-client liza kuyeka fika i-client like mina lithi inyanga usibani balimenze namenza. Then mina at some point I felt as if nginyanya le nyanga le. Why was I feeling like that? It was mainly because of ngifila as if ngathi le nyanga leya ibigcilaza le client yesile. Can't you only to find out ukuthi ilezila ama-client lawa most yabo bafika badele inyanga then inyanga sibathi nje bathi ngakhona then kusasa kube ngathi inyanga zitreat ama-client kabi kanti i-client kuyona eziphithi. All I can say is that Babu Dokotela is the future. Babu Dokotela is the legacy of which we need ukuthi thina uma siyabantu esivumayo emoyeni sibaphathe kahle inyanga ezithunyelwe ngudani lizizwe namhlanje. Hey udla imali zabantu, hey wenze ini, udla imali zabantu uma umuntu ungalapha abantu abayimiliyoni kungabi nomuntu nokuthi wena wenzelanga kahle. Ngisho nabafundisi, ngisho nakumasonto lamakhulu, abantu basekhona abanye abantu bagcilazeka, but kancane kancane into ziyolunga. So ngoba thina abantu ba-Afrika sithanda, that's why we have nothing even today. Ngithi mina I salute Babudokotela. Babudokotela TV is a channel of which you need to guys need respect, and even those abantu abahlala banenkinga bathi don't take that. Makuthiwa umuntu uyothi i-scam, you take that. Stop doing that. Babudokotela usedurban, KZN, inyanga esiza abantu. There are those of which are rich mainly because of Babudokotela today. There are abantu abama-millionaires because of amazwi akhe ngokukhuluma nomuntu mekulungisa. So all I can say is that respectani inyanga zenu, respectani abantu benu. Ngakho angazi ukuthi intambo eyifake la ngiyayibona noma ayibonakala. Iyabonakala? Mkhemela. Le ntambo le njengoba uyibona ila, intambo yokuthi ilisa nemimoya evala into zakho. Wena muntu osemakhaya udinga ukuthi into zakho zilunge, please contact inyanga yompethu mkhulu uthi ngikulungisele into zakho ngale ntambo le. Ukwazi ukuthi ube right, ufake le ntambo le ekholeni lakho, le ntambo le ibamba imilingo, ibamba imimoya, ukwazi ukuthi uphakame, ukwazi ukuthi ube right. Le ntambo le uyidonate is just 500 rand. Indaba isekutheni, stop saying abelaphi bendabuko they are abotsotsi futhi ama-scams. Uma ufuna otsotsi ya eSun City, the 20s, di tlabe di tletse, di a sunana ka moo, di etsa bogay, di etsa bosatane ka ga ntho tseo, di etsa banna ba bang basadi ka ga di-cells ya Sun City, ya Limpopo prison tronko e le kgolokgolo ele, ya Didier, ya kae o se batho ba botsotsi le tlohele nna ntse le re dingaka ke ditsotsi di bua maka. Babudokotela ukwazi ukwenza ukuthi umuntu engenamalami nemali, inyanga engenamona, inyanga ekwazi ukuvelisa inyanga inamathuba ukuthi zikwazi ukuthi ziphakame. Lokho ngayo inyanga yempethu, inyanga yempethu mkhulu uthi Katlego Dankibuthi ngiseJohannesburg South, la ngitholakala khona, la ngisiza abantu khona, la ngigaya umuthi mina okugubhe ngezami izandla. Nkosi.